each time you get, you don't need a lot. Is small generous amounts go a long way, unless you're using a 3D, like a cluster 3D or portrait back crystal, then you might need it more. But this is great. I think it's good amount, and then you just make sure you blend it, so then it's not gonna be too thick, and you don't want to flood your crystal. And wipe up my brush cap on. Oh, keep dropping up. Close the lids, and I'm going right into my no wipe top coat. The purpose we're doing a no wipe top coat on to first to get it all when it finished is so nice, and you don't have to remove all the tacky layer off. And then second, that it will, the no wipe top coat and the condensed glue gel will help suck your base of the crystal in. On the side, I am gonna put my cute, I already banned it earlier. If you're just tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessory and such live tutorial tonight. We did a lot of different nails, and earlier I got to share with you the tip and trick how to do your pop socket. So don't forget to check it out. It's really fun, and I'm so glad I got to share. Hold on, I'm not doing a smaller one. I tried to get smaller to fit in here. I'm gonna go with the yellow heart, okay? So this perfect yellow heart for like for friends or what? I don't know, whatever you want to do that your clients like it. So I'm just sharing with you, or you can do it option. You don't have to do like a red heart or pink heart. You can do is like yellow heart. I think it looks cute though. Try the pink heart. You can put the red heart in there. We have the AB heart, the perfect heart, but I just want to put some yellow to go with my theme. Super cute. And I can put some gold beads. Did you have, okay, I have a rose gold bead right here. I want to put the rose gold beads and match with my frame. I got it. So it looks so cute, and it stay on, and my frame, it got bends really nicely, so then I don't have to worry about like it's gonna popping. It looks cute. It's fit though. Let me see if we can do another one. Hope everyone have a great Thursday. We will always stay nice and busy. Oh my goodness, so cute. Even you do it by itself, it looks so freaking cute already. But I'm gonna put some dragon scale. And I love the cute look of the dragon scale. And if you are first time playing with this dragon scale, you can do it on the top of the nails, or you can also doing it as encapsulating. I love the feeling and the look on the top of the nails because it's so sparkle shiny. Also will last a long time. It will last up to like 6 weeks. We have a clients going on vacation. They will last so long for them, up to 6 weeks before they come back and see us again. Which is that it's not like they didn't want to come earlier, but just because the client's going on vacation. It's so, I don't know how your end, but my end, the dragon scale is so freaking like sparkle, okay? Like, all right, so I am going to use my little cute beads in here. I'm gonna continue using a rose. See if I get that. Cute yellow. I'm gonna put a couple of a cute crystal in there. Looks so cute. And I'm gonna gonna leave it there first for a second because I am gonna adjusting it. Please stay tuned for 20K follower giveaway. I am freaking excited. And then plus that, the earlier pop-up grip pop socket I just designed, that's gonna be going to the winner of 20K giveaway. So if you missed it earlier, please check on our story or Facebook. You will see how I share with you how to create one of the pop sockets like that earlier, just earlier. So don't forget to check it out. Look at this beautiful cute heart, the yellow heart. You don't have to be necessary in red because we've seen so many different red already. So I did the ombre, marbling ombre with liquid and powder. I'm using a chisel powders and 2 vibrant one. Can I get a piece of paper? And then we did a crystal placement. So I'm so excited. Hey Brad, thanks so much, sweetie. You happy with this? You like it? Then I'll pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds, okay? I love this freaking like a dragon scale. Look at you, if you had to experience yourself, because it's so hard to deliver with the camera and under the lighting. This dragon scale is so satisfying. Like after you're done with cleanse, like even the one stripes along with the nails, or if you do completely the nails, we also have a video for showing how to do it, and will last up for so many weeks. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Hold on, I keep saying it and I keep adding it on. That is like the symptom of crystal obsession. I'm gonna pop in the lamp. I just put one more beads here. That's it. And now in the lamp. So I love about